So yesterday we have seen the electronic configuration of different atoms, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, like that. Have you practiced that? This is very important, this electronic configuration. You should know at least for 30 elements, first 30 elements atomic number, that is till zinc. Till zinc you should know electronic configuration in terms of that 1s2, not like Bohr model 2, 8, 8, 80, not like that. You should know 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2, 3s2, 3px2, 3py2, 3pz2, then 4s2, 3d1, 3d2, like that you should know. In that, two exceptions are there. Two exceptions for chromium and copper. Chromium and copper. Let's see those things once again. Chromium atomic number 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p x2, 2py2, 2pz2. For that I will be writing all together as 2p6. 2p6. In that 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2, all the three are there. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6, then goes to 4s2, 3d, then only the 4d gets filled. Alright, 3d, 5 4s2, so that 4s2 may say 1 leke. Actually it was, the expected was like this, expected was 4s2, 3d4, but it is actually 4s1, 3d5. 4s1, 3d5. One of the 4s electron is taken to 3d. 3d means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, expected was 3d, 4, and here 4s. 4s is shown outer. So expected was 3d, 4, 4s2, but to make this d half filled and completely filled orbitals are more stable than the others in a particular category. So this chromium is coming under d block element, so you have to think about d block stability. D block element, so d orbital stability. So one of this electron is taken here and the actual is 3d5 instead of 3d4, 3d5, 4s1. This is the electronic configuration. So 3d is written here followed by 4s. The electrons will be going to 4s first. Similar is the case with copper 29. Copper 29. You just add all these and check whether it is coming to 24. This is 10, 18, 19, okay, 24. Now copper 29. Copper 29, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10, 4s1 3d10. So here expected was I am showing 3d and 4s. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 4s. This is 3d 4s. So here 4s2, first the electron goes to 4s and 2 electrons will be going there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to Hund's rule, pairing does not take place until the orbitals of same subshell are singly occupied. Now the pairing starts like this. Pairing starts. This is the expected one, but actually is what one electron is taken to this. So actually is 3d10 4s1. 3d10 4s1. So here one electron is taken and this will be full, means completely filled orbital is stable. For that, completely filled orbitals are stable. Extra stability of, first we said in the case of chromium we said half filled. When it becomes half filled, it becomes symmetric. Symmetric means then it shows stability. You must have seen symmetric, a house constructed symmetrically, exact like a mirror image. If you take half of the house, then the other half will be the mirror image of the previous half. That is symmetrical. Such buildings built are very stable. So half filled is symmetric, and again completely filled is again symmetric. So that gives extra stability. We will be learning the extra stability of half filled and completely filled afterwards. Okay, now coming to one question, write the question. Using SPDF notations, describe the orbital, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. With the following quantum numbers. With the following quantum numbers. Before giving that following quantum numbers, let me tell you, in first shell only 1s orbital is there, no 1p, no 1d, no 1f. In second 2s, 2p, no 2d. In third 3s, 3p, 3d, no 3f. 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, no 4g, like that. So now I am giving the question. So in 1s, don't expect it 1p, don't expect 1d, 1f, no. In 2, second shell, no 2d, 2d, no 2f. In 3, 3s is there, 3p, 3d, no 3f. So these things are not there in this world. Okay, these things are not existing. In first one only 1s, in second only 2s and 2p. In 3 only, on third only 3s, 3p, 3d. Okay, now I am coming to the question. Using SPDF notations. Using SPDF notations. Describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. A. n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1. B. n is equal to 4, L is equal to 0. C. n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. D. n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. Now coming to A. n is equal to 2. So 2, L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1. So L value 1. If it is so, which orbital it is? Which orbital? Anyone? I am coming to that answer. n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, L can have two values. What are they? What are they? 0 and 1. When L is equal to 0, S orbital. When L is equal to 1, P orbital. So what is the name of that orbital? Anyone? Is it 2s or 2p? This is 2p. The answer is 2p. Okay. Next. When n is equal to 4, when n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4, L can have four values. What are they? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. L is equal to 0, then 4s. L is equal to 1, that is 4p. Then 4d, then 4f. So what is the answer of this question? 4s. It is 4s. n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4. When n is equal to 4, L can have four values 0, 1, 2, 3. When L is equal to 0, 4s means s orbital. When L is equal to 1, 4p. When L is equal to 2, 4d. When L is equal to 3, 4f. Next. When n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 means L can have how many values? 5 values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values I have written. When L is equal to 3, s orbital. And when L is equal to 0, s. Then p, d, f, g. What is the question? When n is equal to 5 and L is equal to 3, when n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3, 5f. 5f is the answer. Alright. Next. When n is equal to 3, L can have three values. L can have 0, 1, 2. Three values. See, 1, 2, 3. Three values. When L is equal to 0, s. L is equal to 1, p. L is equal to 2, d. Which is the orbital mentioned? This is 3d. Understood how to make this orbital? Yes. 0 means s. L value 0 is s. You consider in this way, that is s को ऐसे 0 माना, 0. p का ये डंडा, right? d के लिए you think like this, d, right? d like this. So L is equal to 2, d orbital, d. ओके. L इज इक्वल टू 1, ये डंडा 1 मानना, ये पूरा 0. All right. Next question. Which of the following orbitals are possible? Which of the following orbitals are possible? Possible, ये दुनिया में होते नहीं है तो not existing in that format. Okay. So right, I'm giving you some orbital 1p, 2s, 2p, 3f, 2d, 4f, 5g. 1p होते हैं क्या? No. In one only oneness is there. Okay. 2s होते हैं क्या? 2s. Yes. 2p होते हैं क्या? Yes. 3f होते हैं क्या? No. 2d होते हैं क्या? No. 4f होते हैं क्या? Yes. 5g होते हैं क्या? 5g. Yes. See, ये है once again I'm writing 1 में only oneness, 2 में 2s, 2p, 2d नहीं है. Now 3 में 3s, 3p, 3d, 4 में 4s, 4p, 4d, एक और 4f, 5 में एक और that is 5g तक. In that 1 1 1 1 1 it will be extending. So in one only oneness is there. See 1p is not there. ऐसे 1p नहीं है. 2 में 2s है, 2p है, वो दोनों पूछा है. 3 में 3f, no, see 3s, 3p, 3d, 3f नहीं है. 2 में 2d नहीं है, 2d नहीं है. See here 2d नहीं है. Then 4f है, see 4f है. 5g, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 5g. 6 में है तो g, h, i, j, k, like that it goes. All right. That's about orbitals. Now orbital filling के लिए there are 3 rules. First rule is, write down first rule, that is off-bow principle. Off-bow means building up. Off-bow principle. Off-bow means its meaning is building up. Building up. So in an atom, see oneness. First you write the sentence for off-bow principle. Orbitals are filled in the increasing order of their energies. Orbitals are filled in the increasing order of their energies. Orbitals are filled in the increasing order of their energies. So I am going to write this. For that you have to show like this, oneness. After writing that sentence, you have to write like this, oneness, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4s, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 5g, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 6g, 6h, then 7s, 7p, etc. So orbitals are filled in the increasing order of their energy. So first 1s, then 2s. So I will be connecting this like this, right? 2s, then what? Then to after 2s, 2p, then 3s. After 3s बीच में से जाना 3p, 4s. After 4s 3d, 4 3d, 4p, 5s. After 5s 4d, 5p, 6s. Then 4f like this, 8s. This is the order of filling energies. So 1s, first 1s, then goes an 2s. After 2s, then 2p, then 3s. After 3s it is going like this, 3p, then 4s. After 4s electron will go to 3d, 4p. After 3d 4s के बाद 3d, like this it will be going. So electrons are filled. What happened, Rishi? Any problem? Rishi, any doubt? Okay. So you write the orbitals first. First electron will be going to 1s. See, first electron will be going to 1s, then it goes to 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s. 4s के बाद ही 3d में, ये ध्यान रखना, 4s के बाद ही 3d. After 3d then 4p, then 5s, then 4d, then 5p, 6s. So make like this, you can come to know which will be filled first, right? 4f, 5d, 6p, then 7s. After 7s only it will be going to 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s. Then after 8s, then it should go to 5g, like that. So all of you write in this format first. Once again I am writing 1s, leave little space, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 1, you add, keep on adding, 5p, 5d, 5f, 5g, 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 6g, 6h, g, h, I, j, k, like that, 7s, 7p, 7d, okay, etc. Now draw like this, 1s, 2s, 3s, 1s बीच में से जाना है, 2s, 2p, like this. So orbitals are filled in the increasing order of their energies. इतना ही दिखाना, right? Increasing order of their energies. So 1s you can write as one box. 1s is only one box. 2s one box. For 2p, that is degenerate orbitals, 2px, 2py, 2pz, right? Okay, I am stopping. Thank you. All right.